Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be opening this bin of fidgets. I've been collecting them for a pretty long time now, so let's get started. Okay, so there's pretty much a lot of fidgets in here, so we're just going to get started. First up we have this yellow hexagon poppet, and next up we have this bunny rainbow poppet. And then next we have a couple monkey noodles here. And then we have...
Hey, one question. What day is it today?
Oh, today's my birthday.
How old are you?
I'm turning 8.
Nice.
Okay, and then this wacky track. And then we have this circle classic rainbow poppet. And then we have a mini SpongeBob poppet. It's really good and has an extra bubble on the top. And then we have this mini fish poppet, which is blue, pink, and white. And purple too. And then we've got this tangled. It's a fuzzy tangled. And then we've got this panda from Ryan's World squishy. And then we've got this pop tube, which stretches really well. And put it back. And then we have this rainbow square poppet. And then there's still lots more to come. And then we've got this bike chain. It goes like this, and it's red. Then we've got 2 blue marble meshes. And then I've got this simple dimple. And then I've got this llama alpaca poppet. And then I've got this pink, neon pink Neato. And then I've got this glow-in-the-dark Neato. And then I've got this banana Neato. And there's...
Want to make a part 2 soon?
Yeah, we'll make a part 2. But we'll just do a couple more.
Okay.
And we've got these 2 Neatos. And then I've got this, drink poppet. And I've got this squishy eyes. And then I've got this poppet pencil case, which is really cool.
That was your birthday present.
It was one of my birthday presents. And then I've got this Gudetami thing.
Should we wrap it up for part 2?
Yeah, we'll do a part 2. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys had a great time watching it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hit the subscribe button.
And remember to hit the subscribe button. Bye, everyone.